question we get is, how do I replace my concrete driveway? There's a lot of ways to go about this. Typically what we recommend, unless you're a licensed professional, reach out and get some quotes from a licensed insured contractor. What they need to do then is they typically need to remove your entire driveway. So they'll come in, they'll take some sort of machinery, break it up, haul it off. From there, then they need to go and recompact the soil. This ensures that we don't have any settlement cracks and any undermining of the foundation of your new driveway. From there, give us a call at 407-872-0782 to schedule your concrete delivery. From there, coordinate with the contractor when they can be around and when we can deliver, so we make sure we deliver and place your concrete. From there, the contractor will finish it, cut it, and then you'll have a brand new driveway.